Welcome back to 22nd episode of Soup Sniper. Bituu Shul literally means sealed soup in Mongolian. It's unique and unlike any soup I made before. It uses just 5 basic ingredients: beef, onions, garlic, salt and pepper, but tastes distinct because of the way it's prepared. It's steamed, not cooked, and covered with the dough, so it's completely closed, which means all of the flavors and nutrients stay inside and do not evaporate or get diluted. That's why Mongolians call it miracle soup and consider it superfood. We start making the dough by adding wheat flour with salt and water and mixing until it looks like this. Then we transfer it to the table and continue adding a bit of flour while kneading the dough until it's stretched enough. Prepare the bowl by adding our thinly sliced meat, onions, garlic, salt and peppercorns, and cover everything with water. The hardest part is putting the dough around and sealing it, but it's not hard at all. The point of the soup is to steam it, so we need to put water in a large enough pot and elevate the bowl. Cover and let it steam for 40 to 45 minutes. The biggest drawback of this soup is that you can make one bowl at a time. When done, just transfer it out and let it cool off. Sprinkle a bit of crushed peppercorns at the top like me, and it's ready to be served. As always, thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best.